Alright, crypto fam, buckle up, because we're about to blast off into the Memeverse. What if I told you there's a meme coin that's about to drop 90% of its supply straight into your wallet? Memefi is about to change the game, and you don't want to miss out. Yo, what's up my epic meme lords and crypto hustlers? It's your boy coming at you with some absolutely insane news that's gonna make your wallet do backflips. Listen up, because Memefi just dropped a bombshell in their Telegram. And if you're not paying attention, you might miss out on the airdrop of the century. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Yeah, it's been a minute since we've heard from the Memefi crew. But guess what? They haven't forgotten about us. In fact, they're about to make it rain harder than a monsoon in a meme factory. Here's the deal. Memefi File is not just launching soon. They're giving away a mind-blowing 90% of their total supply to the community. And get this, no locks. That's right, you heard me. No vesting, no waiting, just pure, unadulterated meme magic straight to your wallet. Now I know what some of you are thinking. But bro, I've been burnt before by these meme coins. Well, let me tell you something. Memefi ain't playing games. This is the real deal, and it's happening sooner than you can say, to the moon. So what does this mean for you? It means it's time to kick your Memefi mining into overdrive. If you've been slacking on your farming, now's the time to wake up and smell the crypto coffee. Here's what you need to do to maximize your gains. 1. Crank up that level. The higher your level, the bigger your potential airdrop. It's that simple. 2. Boost that coin balance. Every coin counts, so keep that mining bot running 24/7. 3. Use your turbo attacks. Don't let these power-ups go to waste. They're your secret weapon to leveling up fast. 4. Auto-click like your life depends on it. Set up those auto-clickers and watch your gains skyrocket. 5. Open the app regularly. Show Memefi some love, and it'll love you right back with sweet, sweet tokens. But wait, there's more. Memefi isn't just another meme coin. They're stepping up their game with their own internal wallet. And here's a pro tip. They're launching on the Linear Network and Ethereum. So, do yourself a favor and stock up on some ETH or Linear tokens. Trust me, you'll thank me later. And listen up, because this is crucial. Don't forget to save your wallet seed phrase. I know, it's Crypto 101, but you'd be surprised how many people forget this step. Write it down, tattoo it on your forehead. Okay, maybe not that. But whatever you do, don't lose it. Now let's talk timing. We're looking at a launch by the end of July. That's right, in just a few short weeks, Memefi could be listing on major exchanges and dropping that sweet, sweet airdrop into your wallet. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a revolution in the meme coin space. Memefi is changing the game, giving power back to the community, and potentially making a lot of smart miners very, very happy. So, what are you waiting for? The Memefi train is leaving the station, and you don't want to be left behind. Whether you're a seasoned meme coin veteran or a curious newbie, now's the time to jump in. Remember, in the world of crypto, fortune favors the bold. And right now, there's nothing bolder than going all in on Memefi. This isn't just a coin, it's a movement. It's a chance to be part of something huge from the ground up. Are you ready to take your meme game to the next level? Are you ready to potentially change your life with this insane airdrop? Then what are you still doing here? Fire up that mining bot, crank up your level, and let's ride this meme wave to the moon. Drop a comment below with your Memefi strategy, smash that like button if this news just blew your mind, and don't forget to subscribe for more groundbreaking crypto updates. Let's get this bread, meme fam. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the game, join our Telegram channel. Be the first to get the hottest meme coin news, airdrop alerts, and insider tips. The link's in the description, so hop on board and let's meme our way to financial freedom together. Remember, in the world of meme coins, today's joke could be tomorrow's jackpot. Don't be the one telling stories about the Memefi airdrop you missed. Be the one making history. Stay memey, stay wealthy, and may your wallets always be as fat as your memes are dank. See you on the moon, crypto warriors.